Okay, hello everybody. Sandy and I. Say hi, Sandy.
Hi everyone.
We are back out here at the gifting area. Sorry I didn't get here the day after I restocked it. It was just pouring too hard. But we've got a plan. We're out here in the rain today. We're going to restock, and tomorrow the weather is supposed to be better, so I can get back out here tomorrow and get a look and see what happens in the first night. So we're going to do this quick because I don't want the pod to get wet. The glass jar that we left on the stump. Okay, it is open. I left it loose so they could get the lid off. No new chew marks, just the same holes that were there. Jar is emptied out. Some of the peanut shells here on the ground. And the ring is right here. Yeah, no teeth marks. Okay, so we got the other jars here on the ground. Harmonic is the same. Something's missing here. What's missing here? Spoon, ball, camera, gourd. Maybe nothing. Okay, I'll have to look back to make sure that's all the same. And the bucket. You can see I had the cover on it there, which has been flipped back up and around over the branch. The bucket is still attached. Everything's still there, just kind of tangled in a knot. And over here, we've got the lid, which is a little bit kinked. Kinked right here, right there, there, but there are no holes in it. Here's the tin. Also got a kink here, and a scratch there, but no chew marks. Just that one kink there. And over here we found the bottom part, which is ways off, and no holes, no damage to it whatsoever. Okay, I gotta put the camera away, it's getting dripped on, and we're gonna set everything back up and I'll show you what we got. Okay, we are back here at the gifting area. We were just up here yesterday. We made a quick run up here in the rain to leave some goodies. Well, it's better weather today, and we're back to see what we got here. So, first thing, all 3 apples are gone. And not seeing any apple pieces or chewed on bits anywhere here. Okay, yeah, these little balls here. Yeah, Gabby's claiming them. She's already taken one and put it over there. Now she's got the other one. Yeah, she's got balls like these of her own. We're gonna leave these for the Bigfoots, Gabby. Yeah, gonna leave them for the Bigfoots. Okay, so, this stuff looks the same. This stuff looks the same. The pie is gone. The bucket is still hanging, although it has been pulled off the side of the handle there a little bit. Looks like the package of salmon is still in there. And the peanut butter is here on the ground. How do you smell there, Gabby? Let's see. Yeah, completely intact. Untouched, not a mark on it. So apparently, in the process of pulling out the pie, they just knocked the peanut butter on the ground, left the salmon. So I guess the big hit here would be the pie. Oh, there's the tin. Okay, here's the tin. Gabby's over there sniffing the containers. I can see them just beyond her over there. Oh, look at this. Gabby, no, Gabby, stay back. Yes, I know. Okay, so we've got some pie here on the ground. There's Gabby, Gabby, get out of the pie. Yeah, bit of pie there. Not a whole lot left. And the tin looks like it's in pretty much perfect shape. A couple of small dings right there. Gabby, Gabby, get out of the pie. Come on, leave it alone. Yeah, just those little dings there, and that is it. Okay, well, let's go over here and look at the container. Right here together. A little bit of pie crust in there. Looks like one small dent, one small hole right there. And the bottom part of the pie, also a few pie crumbs. Looks like possibly a tooth mark right there. A little dent right there. Okay, so get the bucket straightened up again. I put the peanut butter back in it. Suppose it's not good news for the Bigfoots, but I suspect this pie was taken by a raccoon. I'm not sure how they could have done it. I don't know that they could climb down that rope, but the plastic cover was pushed down over the knot, and there are 2 teeth marks in the pie container. So, yeah, that's a good possibility that somehow a raccoon got it, or I don't know, I suppose it's possible the Bigfoots could have taken it out of the bucket themselves, had some of it, left the rest on the ground, and at that point a raccoon bit the container. It's hard to say, but yeah, it's kind of disappointing to think that the Bigfoots didn't get any of that pie, but can't really say for sure. Okay, we're going to put the balls back, Gabby. We're going to leave the balls here for the Bigfoots. No, no, you've got your own, okay? Stay back. Okay, instead of taking this pie tin with us here, we're going to leave it right there. We've got the top and the bottom together like this, the bottom part there, and we're going to see what happens to the empty container here on the ground in the next few days. See if raccoons just will go after that. And I'm going to try one more time to get the balls away from Gabby. Look out. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Gabby, 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 give me the ball. Come on, you got your own balls. Come on. Can we put it back? Give it here. Come on, give me the ball. Thank you. No, no, you have your own. This one's for the Bigfoots. Okay. So, no, Gabby, 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 come on. All right, let's go. You're a goof. You ready? You don't want to leave without the balls, do you? No. Come on, let's go.